Welcome to Kari's Lab. Today we're going to make slime. We're going to start with the experiment and then I'm going to explain a little bit about the science.
First, let's add the polyvinyl acetate, better known as Elmer's glue. Then we have to prepare our solution of sodium tetraborate, which is basically borax with water. Read the description of the video and you can find some information about quantities that you might want to add. But I really encourage you to try different concentrations. You will get different consistencies for your slime. The solution has to be very well mixed. Before we add the borax solution, we have to add the color, the glitter, anything that you want to add. This is the time to add because later you cannot mix it. In the next videos, we're going to add materials that will make it glow in the dark or that it will change colors with temperature. We're now adding the borax solution and immediately we can see that we create the slime. Look carefully and you can see some wrinkles. It is amazing. Those wrinkles are molecular reactions that are taking place between the sodium tetraborate and the polyvinyl acetate. What the borax is doing is basically cross-linking the glue. And now you're ready to play with the slime. We're now going to move on to learn a little bit about the chemistry behind the slime, so let's place it in a bag for a little bit.